you came, where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness.
Hey guys, it's Forgetful Guy, and it is 20 to 10 in the morning. I done another one later, and I'm kind of hungry. And I got this for Christmas, a giant gummy spider, and it weighs 330 grams. Don't know how much it actually weighs, but you know. I thought I'd just like do a little time lapse because I don't know how long it'll take me to eat this. I don't even know if I'll eat the whole thing, but I'm gonna watch some stuff and I'm gonna eat this. And I'm gonna open it now. A minute, if I can. There we go. So I'll eat this whilst I'm watching that, and I'll speed the video up depending on how long I can, how much I can eat of this spider. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. Bruh. Oh, it's got plastic on the bottom. Yeah, it's got plastic on the bottom. Well, there's the spider. Ah, it smells so good. It smells like something I had before. It's got like all little dots on it. Okay. Anyway. So, yeah. I'm gonna put my earphones in and watch some stuff. I just accidentally clicked on something random. And yeah, I'm sorry about the quality, by the way, just before I start. But yeah, let's start. Gonna just rip a leg off. No, I'm just gonna. First reaction. This is really chewy and really hard as well. Tastes nice though. I don't think it'll actually take that long. I'll still speed it up though. Oh yeah, look at the body. It's like darker on the bottom here. I wonder if it's all gonna be gooey. Yeah, anyway, let's just start the time lapse. I done it. That was ugh. At the end, nah, I was fine at the start, but then at the end, when I put like the whole bit of the body in, oh, I regret that so much. Kind of feel a bit thin now. My hands are sticky from putting my finger through it for no reason. That dark bit was actually just like a different colour inside of it, inside of the red bit, which is, yeah, kind of glad now, because otherwise I would have probably threw up or something. Just because I would have had like juice in my mouth, like ugh. And I thought I was thinking at times like, oh, if I swallow this, I'm gonna throw up or something, or I'm gonna feel really sick. But I didn't. Well, I kind of feel sick, but I didn't throw up, so that's a good thing. But I've been recording this now real time without the fast forwarding or anything, which I put my thumbs up just as an indication to when to split the video so I can like speed it up and keep this bit like normal. But I've been recording now for 31 minutes and 42 seconds and obviously going. But that was that, you know. Giant spider finished in like just over half an hour. I don't know how many calories or anything that was. It has, hang on, per 100 grams, so 330 grams, so that's like times 3, all of these. Energy, 1457 kg, I don't know what kg stands for. 347 kcal, don't know what that means. Total fat of which saturates 0 for both. Carbohydrates of which sugar 81 grams and 50.4 grams. Oh wait, no. Carbohydrates 81, of which are sugars 50.4. I think that's what it means. Protein 5.3 grams, salt 0.16 grams, and it says that this product contains quinoline yellow, E104, and olura red, E129, which may have an adverse effect on activity and attention in children. I don't know if that means I'll be more hyper or if I'll like be like what sort of thing, like as if I couldn't pay attention. I'll have to wait and see. But it also includes E133, but I don't know what that does. So you know, here's the back of the with all the stuff, if you can read it, because the quality of the camera's so bad, so you probably can't. And I swear to God, I hope now, right, when I stop this video, oh, don't say, wait, oh no, I was going to say, I hope this is like, flipped the other way around, because right now, it's like mirroring me, so when I go, like, on my screen now, when I go right, it's like, on the screen, if I was like, it's facing that way, so I would be going left on the screen. So I hopefully now, if I go right, I'm going right, you know. I hope so. But all that just so you can try reading the back of the package. But I'm gonna have a rest now. I'm gonna have to wash my fingers, hands, and yeah, that's me eating a giant gummy spider in just over half an hour. I doubt that's a record. So I'm not even gonna say. I don't even know why I brought that topic up. But anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Peace.
Yeah.